4K bike camera with tail light. Quick release from bike. It's compatible with Garmin mount. There are 3 lights on the front, left and right. It is compatible with GoPro mount. Type-C charging port. Built-in 7000 mAh battery. LED battery display. For different light mode. For light level. Video recorded by this bike camera. The video is very clear and smooth. We can use this bike camera to record cycling footage, fair vlog. We always watch your back. We also can use the extra mount to install on the front handlebar. For K3, 0pfs video. If you like this bike camera, don't be hesitated to contact us. The light is very bright at the night. Sony Starvision Night Vision. If you like this model, please contact us to get more information about it.